In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add and position cameras in your animation project to capture your product from different angles. Understanding how to effectively manage camera angles can truly enhance the presentation of your work, giving it a professional touch, and today we'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring clarity and precision. Let's begin by situating each of your cameras in the scene. It's important to place each camera in positions that will best frame the product from diverse perspectives. This will allow your audience to engage with the product in a dynamic and visually appealing way, showcasing its features in detail. Consider experimenting with different heights, distances, and angles to find the setups that work best for the story you're trying to tell. Once your cameras are in place, it's time to advance to the timeline. Here, you'll want to select the first camera that you want to be active. It's crucial to do this at the very first frame of your timeline to set a clean starting point for your animation sequence. By doing this, you clearly define which camera will be capturing the initial moments. Now, let's create the first marker. Hover your mouse over the timeline and press Ctrl+B. What this does is create a marker that binds the currently active camera to that frame, anchoring it as the primary viewpoint from that point forward in your animation. After establishing your initial camera position, the next step is to decide where you'd like to switch to another camera view. Move to the frame on the timeline where this switch should occur. Should you feel uncertain about the exact moment, try envisioning the narrative flow. This will guide you in pinpointing the optimal frame for transition. Once you're set on a frame for the switch, select the second camera in your sequence. Repeat the previous action. Press Ctrl+B while hovering over the timeline. This action will set a second marker, effectively instructing the timeline to switch to the newly selected camera at this precise moment. If you plan to include additional cameras, just follow the same steps. Move to the next frame where you want a camera switch, select the desired camera, and press Ctrl+B to create a binding marker. Finally, to perfect the pacing and ensure smooth transitions between your camera angles, you can adjust the timing. Simply click and drag the markers along the timeline to either shorten or extend the duration each camera remains active. This offers you the flexibility to create a rhythm that's in tune with your animation's pace, giving you full control over the visual narrative. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing multiple camera angles in your animation project. With this technique, you're well on your way to crafting more engaging and visually striking animations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one.